Here's this magpie that visits, and Pete feeds at the old barbecue chops from last night. Can you believe this? Like these birds? Magpies, and we got parrots. Parrots just eating all the seed out of my hand. Look at them, look at my favourite bird, the kookaburra. He's got a serious beak on him.
He does, yeah. The problem is if you might be eating, he'll come down and just walk it out of your hand and take your fingers with him.
And we got the magpies trying to compete. They're all friends.
You either want it or you don't. Right? Look at you. Right? He's not quite as game as the other one. It's just not even a shot. The other one's behind you. Look, that's it. Look here. I reckon I can probably get it on my hand, but I'm a bit nervous about him. He's a bit stronger than the other ones. Come here. Come here. I actually don't want him to take out the hand. He might take the hand off.
Yeah. Oh wow. I might have to post this on my YouTube channel, Pete. This is too classic.
You may get in trouble for feeding the native birds.
Oh, how's that? He's saying, don't pat me. Oh, look at the two birds. Oh. Oh, no way. He's pretty game, the Maggie.
You can see actually the Maggie's, you look at this guy,
yeah.
His stance, he'll puff up and he'll get really, they get very bolshy around this guy. And there's a butcher, or there's another, I think it's a butcher bird, it's black, I'm not sure why, they get pretty, he's always puffing up and
yeah.
they get pretty bolshy around the butcher bird as well. Caught it. Oh, chocolate snail.
Bird feeding time. Wild birds. Anglesea. It's the Australian native. He's on our dollar notes. One of their notes, he used to be. The kookaburra. Have a look at Pete and his parrots there. Yeah. Look at that. That's such a beautiful bird. That one's got the character. That's just iconic, that face. Kookaburra, look at him. Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree. Merry, merry king of the bushes, he. Laugh, kookaburra, laugh. Here's these parrots. He doesn't want to get on, he's hanging down out of the tree. He's holding onto the tree, hanging out, and Pete's stretching. Overstretching, Pete. Oh. Unbelievable, that. He's got the two parrots there.
This could be a pair.
Just going to zoom into the... Oh, he's unreal, that beautiful red chest and head. Look at the kookaburra still sitting there waiting for a bit more food.
I think I'm going out there for... You can be there for another hour. Yeah.
Really?
Sit there, yeah.
Look at him.
Just waiting.
He's just had his hair cut. The bird family's all getting a bit of a feed. The pure native food they're meant to be eating.
So these guys, I've got their, the sort of native parrot food or whatever, and they just sift through it to get sunflower seeds.
Ah,
The only thing is, I think those sunflower seeds are, we don't actually don't feed them a lot of it because they thick. They're quite full of oil and stuff. I think I'm not sure. I don't know if it's great. I'm not sure.
yeah, too much of it. A balanced diet. Oh, he's unreal. He's hard to beat, that fella. Look at him. Look at him. Look at it there. His head just went up. All made himself big for the magpie. That's a baby magpie, Pete said. Or teenagers.
They've been around for a while.
Got the grey back. When they got the real white, vivid white back, they're adults. They are definitely grey on the back, so they're teenagers.
I think that's right.
Yeah, it is right, because Tracy feeds them, has told the same. All right, I'm going to close that off, but that's the bird kingdom.